Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Plug in if needed and close background apps to prevent interruptions. Once ready, open Settings and navigate to Utilities, then tap Gaming Mode or Gaming Tools. This is where OnePlus centralizes performance. Make sure Oxygen OS is updated so you have the newest toggles and optimizations. This step guarantees stability and access to features like network priority and FPS controls. Do it first so the rest of the configuration behaves predictably and you don't lose progress mid-setup. Next, add your game to the gaming mode list and choose auto launch if you want the profile to apply automatically. This saves time. Then set performance mode to prioritize CPU/GPU and limit background data to reduce lag. Adjust brightness and touch sensitivity so the display responds reliably during intense moments. Also enable Do Not Disturb and Network Boost to prioritize packets for the game. These choices reduce interruptions and latency, which directly improves responsiveness and overall smoothness while you finish by launching the game and observing the FPS overlay and temperature. Play a short match to confirm improvements. If you see stutters or crashes, clear the game cache and data, disable battery saver, and reinstall the app to eliminate corrupted files. Once done, restart the phone so system changes apply cleanly. If problems persist, revert to balanced settings to reduce heat. This troubleshooting step often reveals whether performance mode or a specific toggle caused instability, letting you tune without losing playability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.